So, good morning, good new day, new month. May all the positivity and freshness stay with you. Many of you have appreciated my cover video, so thank you for that. And I would like to share the real deal behind this 10-sec animation. Basically, I've tried to put up a character who wanders and who's lost in his phone, and whilst doing this, he got his phone broken by his own hand, and then he all of a sudden he resumes his unfinished hobby, that is of painting, and yes, opens a channel. So that boy is none other than me. And I'm back with a cool illustration video yet again. This time I'm going with crayons, which is cheapest, easily accessible, yet simple and colorful. So let's begin. As always, I've started with the drawing with cleaning the board nicely. Drawing my today's subject, which is just an eye which gives us a vision, good or bad, but a perception. So ending with lashes and eyebrows at the top, this is what I have got. I had no particular pictorial of any eye. This is completely an imaginary one. For this to look finished and professional, I pasted some tapes to get evenness in my art, and yeah, a good outline as well. This is my set of plastic crayons, my favorite art product since childhood. I have grown up with them, so yes, and they are close to my heart. So almost in every video of mine, I have mentioned my Instagram ID at the very top left corner of the video. So if you like my paintings and if you want to see many of those, you can visit my description box where I've mentioned the link. Visit my Instagram profile and review it, and yeah, that's it. Heading my start with nice pink shades all around. Wait, let me zoom in and add a tint of orange to it to give it a real nice skin color. And then take a tissue paper and tap tap tap, rub rub rub. So fun, right? So I thought of doing a marble eye, green and blue. I guess you did not get me. So I'm talking about those marbles which we used in the Brain Vita game, remember? Yep, this is the one which has popped up just now. For the highlights, red and brown is infused as well. In fact, for the lower eyelashes, stroke some brown lines, not necessarily even and straight, but in a cascading manner so as to give it a look of an eye. This is the eyebrows with heavy dark black strokes along with the upper lash as well. Follow the same process for the upper lash as well, but now with the black shade. Now for the eyeball, to give it a look of realistic and 3D, put the shadow of upper lashes onto it and make textures. With the help of a nice sketch pen, sketch the outlines of the lashes, both the upper and lower ones. Now my favorite part, some white highlights and some black shadows to it, and there we got a realistic looking marble eye. You can very well observe the kind of outline it has given to me because of the tapes. Wait, before you all go, I have got a lame joke for you all. You know what, one eye said it to another? There's something between us that smells. If you genuinely think this piece of mine has stood up with all your expectations, then never forget to give it a thumbs up. You were watching Art AF.